They insulted the governor. So rule book says when governor will speak and up to is going out, there is no any speech or disturbing not to happen. This is in the rule book. But Congress people, especially the law minister, he only started the threatening to the governor, slogan to the governor, and more than 4 or 5 MLAs, they gone to attack the governor. The police only protected today governor. Otherwise, there is no police. 100% they will threaten, they will attack the governor. I think he is a constitutional head. This happening in assembly, shame to Congress party. Especially Siddaramaiah, what is happening in the governor, surrounding governor, he is laughing. He is laughing. Siddaramaiah is laughing. He is a CM. This is, I think they insulted the governor. That's why I given the letter to the speaker. Suspend all the law minister and all the MLAs who threatened, who objected the governor. You have to suspend, because when we make a dharna in assembly, last two assembly, in the 18 MLAs they suspended. So same thing, governor have to suspend all these fellows. We also protest for Dalit governor. He insulted Dalit governor. He is a very honorable governor of Karnataka who given oath to the CM. They insulted. So that's why our party workers, I will speak with our party president, Mr. Vijayendra. Then we will also call the protest all over the